Okay, so we're doing a science experiment. You guys we can help Raiden with his. He'll be the first one we do. Do you guys want to do his? Raiden, his says, this is his potion. Natalie, you want to do it? Get that and put it in, just like one little drop. You can do more than that.
More.
And we're going to do all of these potions, and it takes a couple minutes to read the results, and then we'll see what happens. So Raiden's had one line. Says he's a big brother, but we know he's not a big brother. So sometimes science can be wrong. So he might have needed a different potion. So we're going to now do June's. Yep, you guys put a couple drops in there.
Oh, slow down.
Okay, slow down. Yep,
Do
there
a
you
little
go.
bit again, eh? A little bit.
Oh, yeah, someone's coming.
That's good.
Okay, wait a second, Nate.
Okay, we're just going to give it a minute and see what your guys' says.
Oh my God.
What are you guys
Okay,
saying?
don't
What do
touch
you
the
see in yours, Junior? Did yours have one or two?
It has another.
I see 1, 2, maybe. Natalie, what about yours?
I got one too.
2. Steph, what about yours?
One.
Just 1? Okay, so let's see what yours says. So Junior has 2 lines. What does 2 lines mean?
2 lines, baby.
It means you're super fast.
Oh.
Are you super fast? So yours is right. The other one, it says, is a fast swimmer like a shark. But you didn't get 1 line. So that means you're super fast. Okay, Natalie, what's yours?
2 lines.
Yours is 2 lines, so this is where there's 2. What does it say?
One high
What's this word?
is
Super
funny.
funny. So are you super funny?
Yeah.
Yeah, yours is pretty true. Okay, Steph, what did you get? 1 or 2 lines?
1, which is sing a solo.
Are you singing a solo?
Mm-hmm.
So that's true. What was the 2 lines?
It's not boyfriend.
Oh, it's a good thing yours didn't have 2 lines. Okay, now we gotta do Daddy's and mine. What does Daddy say? You can.
Really likes mommy a lot, would rather be fishing.
So you put. So his is different. You hold it right here and you dip it like this.
I'll show you what to do. I'll show you what to do. Ready?
So look. So Daddy's has 2 lines.
Mommy.
1 little line. It's kind of hard to see on this, but there's. Daddy has 2 lines. He really likes mommy a lot. Is that true? Okay, do you guys want to read mine? Do you guys want to read mine? Okay, read mine.
You got 2 lines.
I got 2 lines.
Yeah. You're pregnant or not? You're pregnant? Yeah.
What do you think?
It has
What does it
2
say?
lines, which is pregnant.
Let me see.
Mommy's pregnant! Yay! We have a baby, everyone!
What do you guys think? Is that really what it says?
Yeah!
Are you sure?
Yeah, 2 lines.
2 lines says pregnant.
Yay! Mommy has a baby, everyone! Yay! Say happy! My mom has baby!
Stop. Are you guys excited?
Yeah!
What does June, what does that mean?
You're gonna have a baby! Buddy!
Raiden!
You're gonna have a baby!
Wait, what does that mean
What
about
does that
Raiden?
mean? Does that mean Raiden's is right?
He's gonna be a big brother!
Yeah.
He should've done his.
Are you gonna be a big brother?
Almost as big as Junior, so he is a big baby.
Oh my goodness. Are you guys excited?
Yeah! Baby, everyone! Can you?
Hey,
Nate,
what do I have in my belly?
Baby.
Do I really have a baby in my belly? What does that mean?
We can have